Smithsonian Museum Zero Fighter Model 64 Restoration Project. The Imperial Japanese Navy's Zero A6M-8 was one of the most famous fighter planes of World War II. Developed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, its overwhelming performance allowed it to shoot down Allied aircraft with an overwhelming kill rate from the early to mid-war period, sending Allied soldiers into a state of panic. Allied aircraft were told to run away if they saw a Zero. U.S. fighter planes were instructed to always fight a single Zero in groups and were never told to dogfight. However, the reason Japan was losing was the overwhelming amount of supplies on the Allied side. The Zero was improved many times, including adding bulletproof equipment that was in short supply. Automatic fire extinguishing devices were well received by the crew. The communication equipment was also improved, solving the problem. The Zero was a major war machine. Towards the end of its life, it was also used as a kamikaze plane, sending many Allied ships to the bottom of the ocean, causing terrible destruction and making the crew of the ships neurotic. The Zero Fighter Model 64 was developed to improve the horsepower that had become insufficient due to repeated improvements. The Zero Fighter equipped with the Venus engine regained its previous performance and once again overwhelmed Allied aircraft. The Japanese military also began to equip fighter planes with a powerful weapon called an oblique cannon, invented by Colonel Kazono. This cannon was so powerful that Allied pilots were fired at from unexpected directions. The Allied aircraft's bulletproof devices were useless because they received 20mm shells at close range. Allied pilots began to place their helmets under their chairs to protect their vital points. In the opinion of the Smithsonian Museum, aircraft equipped with oblique cannons are the strongest.